We throw something at Butter. We have a glow stick at her.
Can I persuade you to take a sandwich with you, sir? I'll get drive-through.
She didn't even move. Her foot twitched. Don't throw that hard. Don't, not hard, not hard, not hard. Not hard, dumbass.
That was good. She was like dead. Make sure she's still alive. She's not alive.
Hey!
Hello? No.
Hey, Butter.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no.